Hey there folks, in this video we're going to be taking a look at this electronic organizer. I purchased this back in 2021 and I've been using it every day since. And there's not too many products that I purchased and use daily for several years. This is one of them. It's one of those simple products that houses all of my accessories that I need on a daily basis. That way all I have to worry about is grabbing this and I'll know that I have what I need no matter where I go. Before we dive into the details of this product, if you're new here, my name is Adrian with Project Ramos. I'm a tech enthusiast and I love to review products. I also work on a lot of electronic projects, and that's what this channel is about. So if you're into that type of content, consider subscribing. The first thing that I love about this product is the fact that it's very flexible. It doesn't take up very much space. So when I throw it in my backpack where I have my laptop and my iPad, it doesn't add that much more bulk to it, and it holds quite a bit of accessories. First thing you'll notice is you have two zippers, so it opens from both sides. On this end, I have all of these pockets here where I can insert different USB type of accessories. And then on this end, I have all my adapters that I use all the time. Everything from an Ethernet adapter, so Ethernet to USB type C. I've got a Lightning to HDMI adapter. I've got a USB type A to USB type C adapter. And then I also have a SD card reader that goes to USB type C. Now over here I have a bunch of little USB capture cards. Before I had this little accessory bag, I would always lose these guys right here. So having these in this bag, I haven't misplaced them since. I've got a thumb drive here. I got a couple more audio adapters. This is the one for the iPhone to go from Lightning to the 3.5 millimeter jack. And then this is like a little sound card. It goes USB type C to 3.5 millimeter. Got another USB capture card. I've got a SSD. This one happens to be a very high performance SSD. And I love the form factor of it because it fits right in here. And then over here, I've got the zipper where I keep two more SSDs right here. Now, I love SSDs because they're lightweight and they're real flat. So it's perfect for this type of accessory bag. Now, if we flip over to the other side, there's two mesh compartments here and then a zip up mesh compartment here. And starting with this one here, this is where I keep my Apple charger. So I've got the charging brick here along with a USB type C to Lightning charging cable. On this one here, I've got my charger for my Apple Watch. USB type C to the magnetic puck there. And then I've got a Thunderbolt for USB type C to USB type C cable. And then I've got another Thunderbolt for USB type C to USB type C. And then in this bag, I have a bunch of adapters. And what I like doing with all my different little tiny accessories like these is to put them in these little poly bags, because then I can have them organized and be able to find what I need very quickly without having to make a mess out of all of these little accessories. So I've got the cable here for the Apple AirPods Max. So it'll go from Lightning to 3.5 millimeter. I've got a bunch of USB type C adapters here. So there's some that go from C to A. I've got two of those. I've got this one that goes C to C, but it'll show you the power readout here on the LCD. And then I've got some right angle C to C adapters. And I also got some SD adapters that go from the micro SD to full-size SD. And then here I've got one of those Logitech dongles, and I carry this in case I'm having trouble connecting via Bluetooth. I can use this little guy to be able to connect my peripherals, whether it be the mouse, keyboard, or both. And then I've got 2 USB keys. This is just a little LCD display cover that that popped off of one of my remotes, but I didn't want to lose it, so I just threw it in here till I get around to gluing it back on. I've got this here for the Apple Pencil. This is for another accessory that I have for my iPad. And then I've got a couple more little adapters here, USB adapters. So that's everything that I hold in this accessory bag, and as you can tell, it's a lot of small little parts. They're very easy to misplace, and as a matter of fact, I would always misplace these things, especially when I'm in a rush and I'm trying to head out the door right away, and I can't find some small little accessory that I need. You know, I end up wasting more time looking for the one accessory, and sometimes I would even get to a point where I would just go out and buy a new one simply because I couldn't find the adapter that I already have. So having this bag and having all of this in this bag, I know that all I got to do is take this bag with me and it's going to have everything that I need. So I definitely highly recommend this bag. As I said, I bought it back in 2021 and I've been using it every day since. All right, folks, that's going to do it for me for this video. Hopefully you subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Hit that like button and I will see you on the next one.